So for today's video, I will try the ASMR video. So ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. So the main goal of ASMR is to relax people. So sobrang stress ako dun sa work ko ngayon. So gusto kong i-try yung ASMR. So yung ASMR kasi, these are weird sounds or sound na you hear from your headphone. So, if you're open-minded, may intindihan mo siya. But if not, you can skip the video. Actually, marami ng vloggers gumawa ng ASMR. But I'm not into ASMR. I'm not a professional ASMR artist. Parang hindi ko alam anong tamang term. Pero gusto ko lang siyang itry. Actually, ang gusto ko lang talagang itry is si Fifine K678. And I want to check if this Fifine K678 can also stand for the ASMR videos. So, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you're updated with my new uploads. Hey everyone, it's Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will make an ASMR video. So for today's video, I think I have to skip on the part na sinabi ko dun sa last video ko, natuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-set up si Fifine K678 to your laptop. So I think it is very basic. Magkakaiba po kasi tayo ng laptop. So i-skip ko na yung part kung paano ko siya sinet up. So mayroon naman po kasamang manual si Fifine K678. So you can use it as your guide to start using your microphone. So, since I am very excited to use this microphone, so yun na nga, so iba na yung magiging vlog ko ngayon. So, for today's vlog is about the ASMR video. So, disclaimer lang, this video is not sponsored. So, if you're new to my channel, again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're updated with my new uploads. So, what you're hearing right now is the Fifine K678. Yes, I'm not using the iPhone X audio or the microphone, so I'm using the Fifine. It's right here. The Fifine K678. So if you're ready, let's start the ASMR thing. And guys, sorry, meron kayong maririnig na mga maiingay na kotse, kumakahol na aso kasi yung bahay namin malapit sa kalsada. And marami ding aso sa amin. So, kahit mag-video ko ng madaling araw, maririnig yun talaga siya. So, pasensya na. So, let's start! So, it's 11:55 in the evening. And I'm hungry. So, I actually have here Maltesers. So, binigay siya nung kasama ko sa work. So, let's try the Maltesers. This is the Maltesers. So, naweirdohan ako sa sarili ko. Another one, let's try. Wait lang. Parang may coach pa dumadaan eh. So, wala akong masabi. Ang ganda ng mic. Parang lahat ng sound na capture niya, pati yung pagkaul ng mga aso. Gusto ko yung mic. Wala, natutuwa ako. Parang, ganda-ganda ako sa mic. Although hindi siya for polar patterns, pero okay siya for beginners. Sobrang okay. So, if you're planning to start up your YouTube channel and your main niche is about ASMR, you can consider this mic. I mean, quality sound, okay na okay siya, as in, wala akong masabi. So if you think na okay yung video ko ngayon, the ASMR thing, you can like, or pwede rin kayo mag-comment kung ano masasabi nyo sa ginawa ko ngayon sa video. Again, hindi ako professional ASMR artist. Gusto ko lang i-try yung mic. That's all. Sarap.